Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a 5-ingredient Monterey chicken casserole. I'll be starting off by layering into a casserole dish 2 pounds of chicken thighs that I've lightly pounded out just to even the chicken thighs out a little bit. Next I'll be topping them off with a half of a cup of barbecue sauce. I'm using Kinder's Reserve barbecue sauce today. Next I'll be topping it off with a half of a cup of sliced roasted red bell peppers. And then the last thing I did was topped it off with 4 slices of bacon. This is now going to go into a 425-degree oven where it's going to bake uncovered for 25 minutes. Once the 25 minutes were up, I went ahead and pulled the chicken from the oven, and now I'm going to top it off with 1 cup of Monterey Jack cheese. This is now ready to go back into the oven on 350 degrees for an additional 5 minutes or until the cheese is melted and the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the chicken came out of the oven, I did allow it to sit on the counter for about 5 minutes just to cool down a little bit. I've topped it off with a little bit of green onion and I'm serving it with some oven roasted corn on the cob. And now all I have left to do is dive in and try it out. It smells fantastic. So I can't wait to try it. This is absolutely delicious. The bacon adds a nice little bit of smokiness to it, and the roasted red peppers bring a little bit of a tang. The only thing I would say that I'm missing is the barbecue sauce. It's not that prominent. It's still there. It just takes more of a backseat. Overall, I definitely want to make this again. I think this has become my new favorite summer meal. But that is going to be it for me for the day. If you've enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how it turned out for you. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I've been Volker. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.